Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the letter C from alphabet lore. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the letter C from alphabet lore, let's begin with the eyes. So we're going to start right about here. We're going to start by making a little diagonal line that comes down. Then we're going to bring a line that's going to come down a little farther. We'll bring this line up at an angle, and then we're going to connect it here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line up at an angle. I'm going to come down and then in here. I'm going to draw a line across here, and then a line down here. And then I'm going to make a line here, and then a line right here. Now I'm going to make a little square-shaped pupil at the bottom that we just want to color in. Then another one here, right at the bottom. Now I'm going to start here, and I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to curve it out to here. I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to curve it right over to here. Now right underneath the eye, I'm going to curve this out to here. And then we're just kind of coming down at an angle. Next, I'm going to bring this line around and up to here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And then we're going to go over, right to the eye. And this time up, we're going to go up, and then we're just going to run it right into here. Next, I'm just going to draw 3 little lines down, and the same thing here, 1, 2, and 3 lines down. And there you go, there is your drawing of the letter C from alphabet lore. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.